Hello everyone. This will be a quick tutorial to show you how you can remove this powered by blogger attribution from your blogger website. So in order to do that, first you need to log into your blogger dashboard. Then you need to go to the themes and then you need to enter the edit HTML part. Now before doing this step, you need to go to this website, our website, and you need to scroll down. So I will give this website's link in the description. Then you just need to copy this. After copying this, go to the template and search for this code. As you can see, the code is here. Next, you need to simply just add this CSS code above it and save your template. Once it is saved, you can refresh your blog, and as you can see, that powered by blogger, that attribution is gone now. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.